Are you looking to burn some extra calories from your low-calorie diet to help you to gain some additional lost weight? You definitely can do this if you know just how to do it. For most people, it will be necessary to take a few minutes and to consider how much exercise they can get in without increasing the amount of calories they are consuming. You don't want to ruin your diet, but you do want to benefit it from consuming fewer calories and doing more exercise to burn additional stored fat. How can you keep track of the calories you have burned? Unfortunately, the little calorie counters that are now found throughout most stationary exercise machines don't travel with you. If you do laundry, walk up and down steps all day, or are walking around the office, how many calories are you burning? One tool is available online that can help you to count the calories you are bringing in your exercise regimen. That is an exercise calculator. You may even be able to find these available to you without cost. When you use one, all you'll need to do is pull in the exercises that you are doing as you finish them and for how long you are doing them, and you can learn just what you've burnt. You can find similar products on the market that will count the number of calories that you have consumed per day, too. Adding a tool like this to your daily workout can actually be quite beneficial to your overall low-calorie diet. You can see where you've lost calories and increase your weight loss. Or, if you are doing some extra workouts and burning extra calories, you can actually eat a bit more food to help compensate. All in all, counting the calories of your exercises is a great way to maintain a healthy lifestyle and a low-calorie diet.